Hello everyone. Today in my video I'm going to show how to construct medians of a triangle. Now for medians of triangle it is very important to know the meaning of median. Median means two equal parts. For example, suppose 10 centimeter segment is there. Suppose 10 centimeter segment, the half of the 10 centimeter is what? 5. Okay, so what is that? Midpoint. Similarly, median means what? To divide the segment into two equal parts. It is a segment. Median is a segment and midpoint is the point. Function is same, only median means what? Segment. Okay, so median divides the segment into two equal parts without showing the altitude or without perpendicular. Okay, now what we are going to do? We are learning construction of medians of a triangle. Construction of medians of a triangle. Now triangle is there, so first we'll draw the triangle. This is the base of the triangle. Here I will draw the triangle. Any acute angle triangle, no? Less than 90 degree acute angle triangle, and we'll give the name here PQR. Now we have to construct median. For the median, what we'll have to do? We'll have to draw the perpendicular bisector of all three sides. As you know that triangle is three-sided figure. Triangle is nothing but a three-sided figure. So what we are going to do? We are going to draw the perpendicular bisector of all three segments. Now how to construct the perpendicular bisector of all three sides or a line segment? This I have already explained in my previous video. So please see that previous video. So QR is nothing but a side of a triangle, means it is a line segment. Okay, so I will put the still point of the compass on R. Take more than half. I will take the radius more than half. Draw the arc down and up. I am constructing the perpendicular bisector of QR. So first point on R, same distance will put it on Q, because constructing the perpendicular bisector of QR. Now we will intersect this, okay, and this we will intersect this too. Okay, now we'll join both the arc. This is the one point and here is the one point. We'll join it. This join we will do with the help of dotted line. Okay, why dotted line? Because this is not our median. We are constructing median with the help of perpendicular bisector. That's why we'll draw this with the help of dotted line. Now this is perpendicular bisector, so here the point will be there, okay, it is a perpendicular bisector, so it is the point. Okay, this is the point. Okay, this is the midpoint of QR. Means this point M divides QR into two equal parts. Okay, so we will draw from point M on P. We'll join this. Okay, we'll join this. So PM is the median. Okay, so PM is the median. This we have drawn with the help of perpendicular bisector of QR. Now first side is done. Now it is a segment. As I have already told you that median is nothing but a segment. So PM is the median. Okay, and M is the midpoint of QR. Now we have done with QR. The same procedure we are going to do with segment PR. We'll keep the still point of the compass on R. We'll take the radius more than half. Draw arc here. Okay, and this side also. Same distance, we'll put it on P. Draw the arc which intersect the previous one and this one. If it is not intersecting, you will have to extend it. If it is not intersecting, extend it. After that, we are going to join this again with the dotted line, because it is perpendicular bisector. So we are going to join both the intersecting arc with the dotted line. So this point again, because this is what perpendicular bisector, so this point is your N, this point is your N, is nothing but a midpoint. Point is N, midpoint of PR, and will join Q and N, will join Q and sometimes coincidentally the perpendicular and median come, or they coincide each other, okay, means they come on the same line. Sometimes it happens, so you don't have to be panic, you don't have to be worried my construction is wrong, okay, sometimes it happens. So QN is nothing but a median. QN is the median, that is segment drawn from point Q, and N is the midpoint, okay, N is the midpoint of PR. Now we have finished with QR, we have finished with PR. Now the last side is QP. We'll take the distance, we'll keep the still point of the compass on Q, we'll take the radius more than half, draw the arc this side and this side. Then same distance on P, we'll construct the we'll intersect previous arc here and here. After that we'll join with again dotted line because it is a perpendicular bisector. So we'll join with dotted line. So this point is point MNO I'll take, because this is the midpoint of PQ. This is the midpoint of PQ. Now I'll join this O and R. I will join O and R. I will join O and R. So 3 medians we can draw inside the triangle. We can see that 3 medians we can draw: Q, N, R, O, P, M, and they all 3 medians are again going to meet at one point. So this point is nothing but a point of concurrence. This point is nothing but a point of concurrence, because 3 lines meeting at one point is called point of concurrence. But this is the point of concurrence of median. That's why it is called centroid. That's why it is called centroid, and it is denoted by the letter G. So where the medians of a triangle meet at one point, it is point of concurrence, and point of concurrence for median is called centroid. Thank you.